the name John Deere means quality. Once the tractor leaves the line, everything's complete here. We got all the decals on. We then send it to our inner-line audit station, which 100% of our tractors go through. After it leaves that station, then it goes out to what we call weight test. We want to make sure that the rock shaft is working perfectly under weight with a load on it. Now, once it leaves this station, this plant goes to our shipping plant. That tractor is once again checked out before it goes onto the truck. These tractors are pretty much underneath a magnascope, a magnifying glass, because it's been looked after, touched, checked out many times before it gets to our customer. So we want to make sure that that tractor, every tractor that comes off the line is a 100% perfect tractor. Matter of fact, when I was down south to see my mom, I seen the dealership had our tractor. I stopped by there and looked over it once again. That's the pride that we put in this tractor. This tractor was designed, assembled, and tested right here in Augusta, Georgia.